Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a delicious chicken curry. It's made with freshly ground spices for an authentic Indian chicken curry. All the ingredients and measurements are in the link right below this video. We'll need finely chopped garlic, finely chopped fresh ginger and green chilies, chopped red onion, and chopped tomato. For the chicken, you can use a whole chicken cut up without the skin, combination of thighs, breasts, wings, whichever parts of the chicken you'd like. I bought some chicken breasts on the bone. I took the meat off the bone and cut it into chunks. And I'm also putting the bones in the curry. Even if you're using boneless thighs or breasts, just make sure you add chicken wings or the back of the chicken, some type of bone, which really gives the curry a lot of flavor. In our spice grinder, we'll grind a cinnamon stick, whole coriander, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cloves, also some Kashmiri chilies. These are not spicy. They give the curry a really nice red color. And some cardamom pods. 1 star anise that I won't grind, I'll just put it in the curry. Ground turmeric and red chili powder. Break open the cardamom pods and take out the seeds. Discard the pods. We'll grind the cardamom with the other spices. This little grinder is one of the most used things in my kitchen. If you like to make Indian food, definitely get an inexpensive grinder like this to grind the whole spices. Buying whole spices is cheaper and it really tastes much better in your curry than buying already ground up spices. It takes just a few seconds to grind all the whole spices in a grinder. You'll definitely taste the difference in the curry. Cinnamon stick, the coriander, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, and cloves, and the cardamom. Grind this to a powder. I wish you could smell this. Heat up a pot. Pour in vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the onion, little salt, let this cook for about 2-3 minutes, then we'll add the ginger, garlic, and chilies. The onions are starting to get soft. Now I'll add the garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute this until golden brown. Everything's golden brown. Add the ground spices, turmeric and chili powder. Let this cook just for about 10 seconds. You want the raw flavor of the spices to go away. Make sure you taste the ground spice mixture before you add the chili powder, because sometimes the Kashmiri chilies can be a little spicier than you think. Add the star anise, tomatoes, salt, cover and cook until the tomatoes are completely soft. Tomatoes are getting soft. And smash them a little bit. I'll cook it for 2 more minutes. You want the oil to separate. The tomatoes are melted nicely and the oil has separated. Now we can add the chicken. Salt. Mix this really well and cook it for 5 minutes without the cover. Give it a stir after 2 minutes. Give it a stir after the 5 minutes. So it's a total of 5 minutes since we put the chicken in. Now we can cover and cook the chicken. While the chicken's cooking, I like to boil some water and set it aside in case we need to add it to the pot. After 5 minutes of cooking, you can see all the liquid in the pot. Give it a stir. Cover it and check on it every 5 minutes. And add boiling water if you need to, about a half a cup at a time. After 10 minutes, I'll add a little bit of water. Since I'm using breast, the curry should cook in about half an hour. Cooking time really depends on the parts of chicken that you're using. Chicken is just about done. See, the gravy is nice and thick. This is perfect eaten over rice or with any kind of bread. Taste and add more salt if you need to. A little bit more. And the chicken is done. You can see the gravy is smooth and thick. The meat is soft. You can serve the curry right away, but it tastes better the longer it sits. I cover the pot and let it rest at least half hour before I serve it. Give this curry a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.